Hello friends, today we are going to start a new subject, that is database management system. So let's start with the introduction of database management system. DBMS means database management system. D for data, B for base, M for management and S for system. It means DBMS means database management system. We can break database management system into two parts, database plus management system. Then there are two words. First one is the database and second one is the management system. Database means collection of data and management system means it is a set of program to store and retrieve those data. It means database management system is the combination of database plus management system. Database means collection of data and management means it is a set of program or software to store or retrieve those data. So the definition of database management system is DBMS is a collection of data and set of program to access and store those data in an easy and efficient manner. Or we can also define database management system is a software which is used to manage database. So either we say DBMS is a collection of data and set of programs to access and store those data in an easy and efficient manner, or we can say DBMS is a software which is used to manage these database. Now the example of database management system, MySQL, Oracle are the popular commercial DBMS used in different applications. So the example of DBMS are MySQL and Oracle. Now the next topic is what is the purpose of DBMS or why we are using DBMS or what is the need of DBMS. In earlier days, the database is stored in a file system. Previously, we store data in files. If we are using file system, then why we are going to use DBMS? The reason of using DBMS in place of file system is that there are some drawback of using file system. Now, we are going to study the drawback of using file system. So first drawback is data redundancy problem and inconsistency. Data redundancy means multiple file format. In file system, we have multiple file format. This creates data redundancy problem and also duplicacy of information in different files, and this create inconsistency. So data redundancy and inconsistency is the drawback of file system. Second one is the difficulty in accessing data. When we are going to access data, then we need to write a new program to carry out each new task. So there is difficulty in accessing the data. This is the second drawback of. Third one is the data isolation. It means multiple file and formats. Fourth one is the data security. When we are going to access or retrieve the data from file system, then there is some security problem. So fourth drawback is data security. Fifth one is the transaction problem. When we are transferring data from one place to another place or source to destination, then there is some transaction problem in file system. So these are the drawbacks of file system. First one is the data redundancy problem and inconsistency. Second one is the difficulty in accessing data. Third one is the data isolation. Fourth one is the data security, and fifth one is the transition problem. That's why we are moving towards the DBMS. When we are moving towards the DBMS, then DBMS offers solution to all these problems. That's it for today's lecture. Thank you.